video log like 100 and something, I think, or like 200. I don't know. Yeah, something like that. Let's go. Alright, I know I haven't posted a video in a while, but you know, I could come up with a bunch of excuses as to why I haven't posted a video, but I'm not gonna come up with a bunch of excuses. I'll do better. I'll try to do better. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so right now I'm about to talk about, because I drank a beer earlier and I'm in a little bit of a talking mood. You know what I'm saying? I'm in a talking mood. So I'm gonna talk about what I do. So people might know, I don't know if people know, but I fucking know. Excuse my language. I'm in the military, right? So I'm in the army. I want to talk about my job and what I do in my job. And this is also for me to like know where I'm at and like document where I'm at, if that makes sense. It don't gotta make sense to you. But so I'm a 15 Tango, that's my MOS. That's like my job. And don't mind Ruth, she probably gonna mess with me the whole time. 15 Tango, that's my job. What is my job? What do I do? So my job is actually very interesting, very cool, right? So I have the pleasure in saying, and I take pride in saying that I personally, I ensure and I make sure that pilots make it home alive. The camera cut off just now while I was talking, right? So as I was saying before, so my job as a 15 Tango is I ensure and I guarantee, right, that pilots are gonna make it back home safely to their families. That's like literally my job. So I work on helicopters, Blackhawks to be specific, if anybody know helicopters, right? I work on Blackhawks. My job is to ensure that they're fully maintained, you know, they're ready to go, and that they'll do what is expected of them. So they'll get the job done. That's my job. So ensuring these pilots go in the pilot seat and fly off to go do their mission. My job ensures that these pilots make it out there and make it back home safely to their family. Rue, come here. Come here. Why y'all mess with it? Rue, no. Why y'all mess with it? Is that trouble here? Yeah, so my job is to ensure that these pilots make it back home safely to their families. You know what I'm saying? So that's basically the gist of it. Is it fun all the time? No, you know, it's work. You know what I'm saying? Is it supposed to be fun all the time? You don't want to have too much fun when you're working. You want to make sure you're doing what you're supposed to be doing, reading what you're supposed to be reading, following instructions and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? But the army in general is what you make it, right? So if you wanna have a sour life, you're gonna have a sour life, whether you're in the military or you're in the civilian world. You're gonna have a sour life. You know what I'm saying? So if my job as a 15 Tango, not necessarily, no job in the military is gonna ensure that you have a fun time in the military or a good time. Can you have a fun time and a good time? Yes. You know what I'm saying? Yes, you can. But at the same time, you got to be doing your job. You know what I'm saying to you? So no job is going to ensure that you have a fun time or a good time. It is what you make it. Somebody told me that. Military is going to be what you make of it. So if you go into work, if you wake up every single morning, and this is not in the military, I'm just talking in general, because people don't understand this, right? If you wake up every single morning and you wake up sour, and you continue to lead your day sour, how do you think your day is going to end off and finish off? It's probably going to end off sour. You know what I'm saying? The military is going to be what you make it. A lot of people come in. I'm not saying that there isn't people in my MOS that's like, oh, you know, I hate this, I hate it here. There is people like that. There's people like that in every single MOS. But again, it is going to be what you make it. So you're probably going to come in. My contract is automatically a 6-year contract. You're going to come in, you do your 6 years. Some people want to get out before the 6 year ends. Why? Again, people make it what they want to make it. If you live your life sour, life is only going to treat you sour. It only makes sense to me. I don't fucking know, alright? Alright. So, 6-year contract. My job, my MOS, it kind of sets you up in the civilian world, if that makes sense. So if you come in and you do the job that I do, it kind of like, it sets you in the right direction. So if you come out of the military, you can get a job at an airport if you get your credentials, if you actually did your job while you're in, right? Just credentials you can get that will set you up in the civilian world, like good. I'm not talking about you're gonna go work at make minimum wage, a little bit more than minimum wage. This job will set you up good because everywhere needs maintainers for airframes. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. So that's where I'm at right now, fixing these goddamn aircrafts, ensuring that these pilots make it home safely and alive, right? But I'm at a point where I feel like I want a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? So we have the option in our MOS to do more if you want to, which a lot of people don't. And also there's the opportunity for us to go from working on the airframe to flying the airframe, if that makes sense. So, but then again, that's only if you want it. You can always come in and be sour and get out in a year or two medboard or something. I don't know what the fuck people do. Right, so there's these opportunities, and that's where I'm at right now. I'm trying to figure out what route I want to take, how I want to approach things, but at the same time, enjoy life. You know, and I have Sugar with me, so I got to make sure that I'm filling her in on certain things. And like, she didn't want to be in this video. I asked her, Sugar, do you want to make a YouTube video with me? And I haven't made a YouTube video in what, 4 months, 3 months. I don't know, so I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. But yeah, man, that's where I'm at right now. I'm in El Paso, 180 CAD. You know what I'm saying? Like, the 1st Armored Division, great goddamn division, right? That's where I'm at right now. What do you want to say in my video? Do I come in here videos and send them to your videos? So, but yeah, Sugar don't want to be a part of this channel anymore. She got her own little channel.
Don't lie, you pissed me off earlier. You're so mean to me. Anyways, guys, Raymond's saying all this, but he's not trying to stay here long in that division that he's in. He's trying to get out. And he has more plans for the future.
Get out of what? The military?
No.
That's what it sounded like.
No.
But yeah, Sugar has her own little YouTube channel. You guys should check it out.
What that got to do with anything?
Rue, come here. Come make people see how you get big. Come here, man. People see how you get big. Them can't even see you. Come on, jump up. Jump up, mama.
Don't gotta jump up.
What are you trying to bite me for? Good girl. But yeah, Rue over here getting big. This is baby Rue that we had in the beginning. But yeah, check out Sugar's YouTube channel. You know what I'm saying? She's doing her little thing. So that's why she don't want to make videos on this one anymore. But that's fine. I'm going to try to make videos. I don't know what the hell I'm about to make videos about, because honest to God, I'm a very boring person, and I like it that way. I have no excuses. I like it that way. I'm fine with it. Alright, but I'll try to make videos about what? Who knows? That's life. But yeah, man, life's good. Can't complain. We're getting paid.
I can complain.
Sugar can complain. But then again, we can't live our life like that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man.
What's up?
Alright. This was just a little update.